So, what is free cash flow and why it's so important for value investors? Well, first let's start with a simple definition. Free cash flow is the cash a company generates after taking into consideration cash outflows that support its operations and maintain its capital assets. But what does it really mean? So basically, we take all the cash that the company generates through its operations and we deduct everything they had to pay so the business would keep on running. So, like rent, payroll, maintenance, stuff like that. And we're left with free cash flow. And there is a simple way to calculate this free cash flow. We just need two data points. One is cash from operations and the other one is capital expenditure. So what do? We find cash from operations in the cash flow statement of the company, and then we subtract capital expenditure that we can find in the balance sheet. And we end up with free cash flow. So the equation is really simple. Free cash flow equals cash from operations minus capital expenditure. And the company can do a lot of stuff with this free cash flow. They can pay down debt, they can issue dividends, they can buy back their own shares, or they can acquire other companies and grow that way. So basically, we use free cash flow as most simple but probably the most important value that tells us the health of the company. If we see that free cash flows are getting bigger and bigger every year, that means the company is stable and it's growing and it's getting stronger. Of course, there can be situations when we see a rapid decline in free cash flow, and it may be an indication of a problem in the company, but it also may be a situation in which, for example, they made a big acquisition, they bought another company, and now they had to spend some of that free cash flow. So you have to look at it from both sides, get in deeper to actually understand what is happening. But it's a really a helpful indicator of the health of the company. And we as value investors can use it to define the intrinsic value of the company. And we take this free cash flow instead of earnings because it's much harder to manipulate free cash flow. Earnings can be easily manipulated, and I'm not talking about breaking the law. I'm just talking about using the accounting. That is all legal, but we can manipulate what is earning and what is not. So that is why we use free cash flow as the base, which allows us to estimate the intrinsic value of the company. And the next thing that is really important is the fact that if we have a company that has a strong free cash flow and at the same time they have really little debt, then we know that this company is so healthy, so strong, they do not have to worry about the present day, about surviving. They can concentrate on the future. And that means they can grow, they can have a vision of the company, where they want to be in 5, 10, 20 years. And that's really something we're looking for as value investors. The company that has a potential of growth, that has stability, that can be easily understood and predicted into the future. Thank you very much for watching the video. I hope it was helpful, and if so, then like it, subscribe if you haven't already, and see you in the next one. Bye.